This is question number 2 of the ideals worksheet. Alright, so you see here, they say the line, this is a line y equal ms, but see intersects. Did they say how many points? They say 2 distinct points, which means that this must be positive, and when it's positive, okay, you get 2 real and distinct roots. Alright, so please refer to the formula sheet given in your A-Maths exam. Okay, now I just want to tell you that actually you don't need to copy this. Okay, in an exam, O-level exam, right, you can just save time by calling this 1, save time by calling this 2. You see, I'm trying to save time for you. You copy this, people already move on to the next part already. Okay, so you can just write this here, and then you sub this into here. So that's what I have here. Okay, so that you don't write so much, and then in the end, because some of you, when I mark your work, I know you're very careless, like me like that. Okay, so this will really help you to reduce careless mistakes. Alright, now as mentioned in the notes, the very first step you should do, which is actually what I'm doing now, is to convert the two separate equations into this form. Okay, so it's something like solving simultaneous equation, but you have to arrange all the x squared terms together. There's only 1, so we are done with this already. Now there's a 4 here, leave it here. Okay, you put a big bracket like that. Then down here, right, you minus px on both sides, you will have a minus p here. See, this will be minus px. Okay, if you are not able to see that, then you do step by step. But you see, the less you write, I'm trying to save you one step here. Okay, the less you write, the less things you have to check. Then you have more time to do the more difficult questions. Okay, now of course this number 10, then you go minus the 1, you can just get 9 now. Okay, so we've gotten our A, B, C already. Yeah, so that's the step 1 I'm talking about here. Alright, after you've done that, write down the condition. This is not a proving question, so you just say for 2 roots. Now even if you don't write this, you just write this, right, they will give you the marks, but they will not give you marks for writing this. They will give you marks for substituting in the correct values based on this question. So what is your B? Is this. So you see, I like to write the template b squared minus 4ac. I write first, then I fill in the blanks. Okay, just fill in the blanks. Then you can get this. Please don't expand wrongly, otherwise all your hard work will be wasted. And then you again, now you see, you write in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Now some of you may be confused. Hey, how come here got ax squared plus bx plus c? No, what's that? Because this is for the curve. This quadratic equation is that of a curve. Alright, so this is one part. Then to study this curve, you need your b squared minus 4ac. So this quadratic equation is the quadratic equation of the discriminant. Okay, whereas this quadratic equation is the quadratic equation of the curve that they give you here, but you're writing it in an equivalent form. Okay, so yeah, so that's what you have here, and then you factorize. Okay, now this part here is the next topic already, and I'm using this opportunity to revise with you. Okay, so it's like solving an equation, but you need to draw this number line, and if it's a p, you write p. If it's a w, you write w. If it's a m, you write m. If it's a x, you write x. Okay, then you solve it as if you are solving for p. You will get minus 2 and 10. You only need to label these 2, and always make it a happy face, because when it's a happy face, it is always going to look like that. And then you want the part that's above this p-axis, so you want this part here. What do you mean by this? Some of you will be asking me. What I want is all these p values here. Okay, I don't want those that are below. I want those that are above. I want the curve. The curve that I want, right, is a part that's above this line. Okay, so this means that your p is always less than minus 2, and because there's a separation, you put the word or, p greater than 10. Okay, so that's your answer.